So hello friends, welcome back to another video. And there is a big update coming from the Wipro related to the elite of campus people, those who give an interview in the month of May, and they now got their result. And in this video, I will discuss which candidate got the result, like when they received the SVR clearance mail and when they attended the interview, and what are the next steps for the candidates. And the technical round and HR round combined or separate for that candidate, those who got their result today. Before starting the video, I want to share, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I am very close to 1000 subscribers because there are many people, those who are watching the videos, but they are not subscribing to my YouTube channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. There are many candidates, those who completed the interview between the May 1st week to the May 3rd week. The candidates got LOI today. In the screen you can see that they got a mail like this at 2:54 p.m. and congratulations, we are delighted to inform you that you have been selected for our off-campus hiring 2025. Please treat this as a confirmation of the selection and note that this is a letter of intent is subject to you strictly meeting the requisite eligibility criteria. So here is the steps written how to accept the letter of intent. So firstly you have to log into your Superset account. Then you have to go to job profiles tab. You can filter on offer jobs to search the job profile you received an offer, or you can simply, when you click on the Wipro Elite of Campus 2024 hiring, then it looks like this. Congratulations on your job offer, view letter of intent. So you can view your letter of intent, or you can download the letter of intent by clicking here. Basically here is accept button is given. Simply you have to click on the accept button, then your LOI is got accepted, and you have to accept the LOI before the June 30 2025 12 am. If you accept the letter of intent early, you will get next update early. So this candidate completed his SVR assessment on 16th February 2025, and SVR clearance he received on 24th of February 2025. He was attended his interview on 14th of May 2025, and today he received the LOI, that is 29th May 2025. So there are many candidates who received the LOI today, and I already told you May 1st week to May 3rd week candidates got LOI today, that is 29th May 2025. They got their LOI, means they directly got their LOI. Congratulations to all the candidates, those who received LOI. And now I will discuss what are the next steps for you. In the SVR clearance mail, you can check out first you have to give technical round, then HR round. But in the current hiring, they are taking technical round and HR round combined. They are not taking separate. So there are many candidates, those who got confused, the technical round or HR round are separate or not. So I will clear your doubt. The technical round and HR round are both combined, and they are not separate. So the next step, many students got LOI. So the next step for them is now pre-skilling training. So first you will get a pre-skilling training survey mail, or either you will get a BGV mail. But currently BGV platform is not working. Training survey mail is more important than the BGV mail, because they will take your BGV even after the training or in between the training. And here is written, the candidates who successfully complete and clear the pre-skilling training will receive a formal offer letter. On successfully completion of the pre-skilling training, you will be considered for onboarding. The pre-skilling training you have to attend, and it is important to clear the training successfully, then you will get your onboarding. So these are the next steps for you. And there are also many candidates, those who are waiting for their interview, and if they want to prepare for the interview, I have made an ebook in which I have compiled multiple interview experiences of the recent interview candidates. So if you want to access that PDF, firstly you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, then you have to join my Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is given in the description, and then you have to write hashtag elite off campus in the Telegram chat. You will get a PDF in the message, and simply you have to download it, and you will able to access that PDF for free. And there are multiple students who go through with that PDF, and now they got their LOI. So if you also want to prepare for the interview and want to clear the interview or crack the interview, do access that PDF. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.